So today I'll be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. So basically turning it from a public Instagram account to a private one. So simply launch Instagram and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your profile page, and then select settings. On the settings page, tap on privacy, and at the top of the privacy page, under account privacy, you should see private account and a toggle button to enable that. So confirm that you want to switch to private account by tapping on switch to private, and that's it. Once this is turned on, it means your Instagram account is now a private Instagram account. It's as simple as that. So anytime now someone wants to follow you on Instagram, they'll have to try and follow you, and then you'll get a follow request and you can accept or decline. And then only people who follow you can actually see your content on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.